Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really cool video for you guys. So today I'm going to do a video and tutorial, and I'm also going to talk about the color wheel and how to choose colors depending on your eye color. So today I'm going to kind of focus on green eyes just to kind of start this series, but I am going to focus on other eye colors, so definitely stay tuned. So I'm going to kind of talk about the color wheel a bit. So right here we have the color wheel, right? So if you notice on the color wheel, we have green as opposite to red. So using any red colors is really going to make your eye color pop. So red sometimes isn't like too much of an everyday color, but burgundy is. So you guys can definitely use a burgundy red or a burgundy pink. And if you guys aren't comfortable with using it, doing an eyeshadow look like this, you can definitely just do it on the lower lash line, or you can just do your wing a burgundy color. And that will definitely make your green eyes pop. So then if you notice on the color wheel, we also have orange and then pink and purples nearby. I definitely recommend using purples on the eyes if you do have green eyes. A lot of lavender, lilac, any of that, and even dark purples really make my eyes pop more. So if you guys don't have green eyes like me, but you have blue eyes, if you notice on the color wheel, we have the yellow and the orangey. So like I mentioned, any gold or coppers or bronze is really going to make your eyes really pop. So definitely keep that in mind. And as for hazel eyes, it's kind of very similar to green eyes. You definitely want to focus on doing the purples and the blues, but for me, I think for hazel eyes, since they are a bit yellow, if you notice, yellow is opposite to blue and purple. I definitely recommend doing a cobalt blue or purples as well. And then for browns, I also really recommend purples. I think purples looks really pretty on the eyes, or anything that has a very shimmery color, any like metallics, that looks really nice as well. Brown eyes are kind of lucky because they can choose any color and look really good with it. So I want to talk a little bit more about green eyes again. So I definitely recommend using any colors opposite. I do sometimes use green eyeshadow, and that does make my eyes pop too, but I just noticed whenever I used an opposite color, that makes my eyes pop way more than if I were to use green. So yeah, if you guys are interested and you want to continue watching, I'm going to get straight into how I did this eye makeup right here. So keep on watching. Alright you guys, so if you saw on the color wheel, red is opposite to green. I'm going to choose a burgundy today that actually has more of a red undertone. So I thought the best one is the Natasha Denona Mini Sunset palette. So I'm just going to swatch this for you guys so you guys can kind of see the burgundy color and how it has a very red undertone. So I've actually worn it before on my eyes, and it really does make the green pop out. For my transition shade, I'm actually going to pick the shade right here. This is Guava, and this is from the Natasha Denona Mini Sunset palette. I'm just going to grab this Morphe blending brush, and this actually doesn't have a name on it because it came in a set, but I'm just going to go in with Guava into my crease right here. So I'm kind of just adding this to the crease to kind of like build up a bit of a gradient before I add the burgundy color. Alright you guys, so I basically just went in with Guava into my crease and really built it up so I could really blend. Make sure you blend your eyeshadow so that it all looks really good and smooth, kind of like a transition. So yeah, I'm just actually going to grab another palette, and this is the KKW Beauty and Mario palette that I got during their collection. So as you can tell, I really love this shade right here, Libra. I'm going to go back in with that Sigma Blending E25 brush and just kind of deepen my outer V with that color. So this color right here is a very reddish orangey color, and I'm just going to bring that into my outer V and kind of blend it into that transition shade as well. And I'm going to bring it a little bit down to my lower lash line, and I'm going to kind of smoke it out a bit. So what I'm going to do now is grab this eye shading brush from Sigma. It's an E55, and it just has a really like dense end, and it's just really going to pack on that deep burgundy color. If you guys want, you can also use your fingers. I may just do the same thing because every time I use my fingers, I get more of the shimmer. So I'm just going to start with my fingers first, and I'm going to dip into Apollo right here. So this is what the color looks like, and then I'm just going to add that into my inner corner right here. And I'm just going to apply it by just gently tapping down and just blending it in with my previous colors. And I'm just going to use this eye shading brush to really make sure that the colors all blend nicely together. So I'm basically just coating my eye with this deep burgundy red. I'm just dipping back into Apollo and just grabbing my finishing spray from Scandinavia so I can get more of an intense effect. And I'm just going to get my eye shading brush one more time in E55 Sigma, and I'm just going to dip back into Apollo, and I'm just going to spray it down a bit so that I can get more intensity on my eyes. So I'm just applying that again, but this time my brush is wet. And I'm just patting down when I do this. I'm just going to go into this color right here. This is Loyalty from the KKW Beauty and Mario collection. I'm just grabbing my pencil brush. And I'm going to kind of add that to my lower lash line to kind of deepen the effect of it. Alright you guys, so we're pretty much almost done. The only thing we're going to do now is add some eyeliner. So I'm actually grabbing this e.l.f. eyeliner. And I'm just going to apply that to my waterline. Alright you guys, so now that I've applied some black eyeliner, I think I'm not going to apply a wing just because I really want this eyeshadow to pop out. So what I'm going to do is add some mascara and maybe some false lashes to complete the look. And I'm grabbing the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. You guys, so I've applied my false lashes just so I can kind of give this more of a dramatic look. I think I got a little bit of lash glue in my lower lash here, so the eyelashes got a bit stuck together and clumpy, but you know, you get the point. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to do my face makeup really quick. I'm just going to do this off camera. I kind of have a little bit of foundation on, but I'm just going to add a bit of setting powder and some blush and highlight. So I already did my face makeup off camera really quick just because I didn't want this video to be too long, but I'm just going to do my lips really quick on camera to kind of show you guys what I do. So I'm just going to do a kind of a nude lip, and I'm just grabbing this MAC lip liner, and this is Cork, and it's just a very deep brown color, and I like using like deep brown and then a nude just to kind of make my lips look a bit like bigger and defined. So I'm just going to go ahead and outline the lip line. A shade in the outer corner as well, using the side of the lip liner. A shading in the corners, using the side of the pencil. And then I'm just going to grab the lip color Myth. This is a satin, super nude color, and I'm just applying that onto my lips. And I'm just going to use my ring finger to really blend the colors together. Okay, so I'm going in with the KKW Beauty Super Nude Lip Gloss, and this was from the KKW and Mario collection, and this is just a bit of a gloss, and I'm just going to apply it a little bit into my inner corner. This is my finished look. If you guys enjoyed this, definitely follow me on Instagram at beautybyandreav. I post a lot of looks there so you guys can get a lot of ideas and inspiration from there. And also make sure to like this video and also subscribe because that helps me out. And I will see you guys in my next video.